So firstly I take in a vessel, and on medium flame I'm adding in some water, some sugar, and we'll boil this until the sugar is completely dissolved, then turn off the flame. Now in a mixing bowl I'm adding in Maida. All the ingredients are in the description box below, please check it out. Also Sooji Rava, also some salt, and half a cup of melted ghee and the sugar syrup water into this, and make this into a soft and a firm dough like this. Okay, add in the sugar syrup little by little so that you will know when to stop. Okay, it should not be too soft, too hard, it should be medium. Now we are going to cover this and keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, now on a platform I'm taking in some butter paper. I'm going to place the dough on the butter paper and take the rolling pin. Take a rolling pin and hit the dough on each side like this for about 2 minutes. Then again knead the dough for about a minute so that it's soft and smooth again, and divide it into a half. And again knead this to a soft smooth dough and roll it to 1/2 inch thickness. Okay, should make sure that there are no cracks in this while you are rolling. If you find cracks, again knead it into a soft smooth dough and then roll it. Okay, keep it 1/2 inch thick. Okay, and now you cut out the sides to form a perfect triangle at the center. Don't worry, I didn't throw the remaining dough. I kneaded it back and used all of the dough. Now mark it like this to form squares, and then carefully and smoothly cut it like this with a knife. Now again mark your squares on the other side and repeat the same. So you need to repeat this process for the entire dough, and keep in mind if you find any cracks or the surface is not smooth, you need to knead it again and form a smooth surface so that you don't get any cracks when you deep fry them. Do this for the entire dough. See, this is how it looks. 1/2 inch thick dough ready to get deep fried. So in a pan on medium flame, I'm adding in these cubes once the oil is very hot. Okay, the flame is medium here. While adding, just make sure to stir them once. Now add in one batch of these cubes into the hot oil. Remember, the flame is medium initially. So after you finish adding them, you turn the flame to low and allow this to cook on its own. Keep stirring in intervals. So once they turn light brown, you remove them from the oil and keep them aside. They will turn more crispy and brown later. If you want a little more crispy, a little more brown, if you want it to be a little soft, a little less brown, but the color should be light brown when you remove them from the oil. So your Shakarpara is ready. It's a famous Diwali dish and a wonderful sweet snack. So enjoy this evening snack dish. Let me know in the comment section down whether you have tried this and enjoyed it. Okay, So follow the tips and tricks that I explain in the video so that it comes out perfect. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care.